Good evening! Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we have a very special feature for you. One of our viewers sent us a video of a real-life cooking in the Philippines, and I'm sure all of you out there, OFW all over the world, we really miss this kind of cooking, the real life cooking in the Philippines, and that's what we have here. And thanks to Johnson and Sheila Llanita for making this video for us, and Johnson for cooking this meal for us. Wasn't that a wonderful video? I'm sure all of you at one time or another in your life have done this kind of cooking. And really, it seems like the food tastes better when they are cooked in a real wood fire. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please push the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell, so every time we upload a new video, you will be notified. Bye! Thanks for watching!